So, students, from today we are starting one of the very important chapter have great application in overall chemistry. Getting? That means what? The behavior, the nature, the chemical reactivity, the formation of compound, all these things. Even each and every chapter of the chemistry, whether it belongs to junior classes or very senior classes, mostly depends on this chapter. What? Chemical bonding. Getting? We are starting our topic as we started in 10th class. Why do atoms combine? It gives the basis of chemical reaction. Why do atoms combine? Student, most of the elements of our periodic table except 18th group element, that is inert gases, all other elements, if we see their configuration, we will find and we observe that the valence shell of atoms of most of the element do not have complete octet or duplet. That is, the valence shell have incomplete configuration. That is, they are unstable. Okay, if the valence shell have 8 electrons, or in the case of hydrogen 2 electrons, then considered stable configuration. But most of the elements atom do not have such configuration. So to complete octet or duplet, they combines with atoms of other element having same configuration, that is unstable configuration. So here we can gain the answer. What? Why do atoms combine? Due to atoms of most of the elements okay, do not have stable configuration. Do not have stable configuration. That is what? Octet, or we are calling duplet in the case of what? Hydrogen. So to complete octet, okay, they combines with atoms of other elements, This is the reason of atoms combine. How many type of combination or bond formations possible? Getting? So it is by 3 ways. Okay. Number A, what? By transferring of electron. By transferring of valence shell electron. Okay. That is what? That is atoms of one of the elements okay, donates electron, while other one gain electron. Okay, such bonding, you know which type of bonding, student? Such bonding is known as, tell me which one? electrovalent bonding. Okay, in ninth class you are already introduced it. Called what? Electrovalent bonding or electrovalent combination. Second type, by mutual sharing. By mutual sharing of valence electron. Of valence electron by two or more atoms. Two or more atoms. Now tell me which type of bonding? Okay, so this is known as what? Covalent bonding. Known as covalent bonding. It is very easy. Okay, now shared electron, okay, is shared electron is attracted by all the atoms, that is, it is counted for all atoms. Are you getting? And one more type of bonding is there, what? One of the atom entirely or completely, okay, involves its two electrons, but both the atoms have equal rights. Okay, now can you tell me which type of bond? This is called covalent coordinate bonding. This is called what? Covalent coordinate bonding. Okay, now let's discuss some very simple example. Say, by transferring of valence shell of electron, this type of bonding is known as what? Electrovalent bonding. Can you suggest me example? Example what? Na is donating its one electron to what? Cl. Thus, the formation of NaCl takes place. This is one of the very simple example. You know, large number of example. Getting? What about covalent bonding? Like hydrogen have one electron, another hydrogen have again one electron. So these two atoms combines their, that is shares their one electron, and now they forms H2. This is called covalent bonding. But what about covalent coordinate bonding? In the covalent coordinate bonding, only one atom entirely gives and involves its two electrons. Getting? While other do not involve its electrons, but after bonding, both the atom have equal rights on it. This is called covalent coordinate bonding. Okay, like here, you can take example of NH3, ammonia. Okay, ammonia have one lone pair, that is excess electron. This electron is called lone pair electron. While the other molecule BF3, okay, this BF3 molecule have only 6 electron even after formation of covalent bonding. That is what? 2 electron less. And here what? 2 electron more. So this is electron deficient, that is deficiency is there, but there is electron efficiency. Therefore, now nitrogen involves its 2 electron completely to boron atom of BF3. Such bonding is known as coordinate bonding. It is denoted by arrow, the tail towards the atom which is donating and the head towards an atom which is receiving. Okay, but these two electron is counted for boron as well as nitrogen. Therefore, now the octet of boron is getting completed. How it is 2 and 6, 8, and the N already have its 8 electron. So this is different type of combination.